The number of urban households has increased mainly due to rural-urban migration as well as population growth, leading to an upsurge in demand for housing, especially in urban areas. Currently, Kenya's annual housing deficit is estimated at 300,000 units. The government is banking on public-private partnerships to construct more houses to meet this demand by 2017.
We can see a crisis. If we are talking about half of our population being urbanized by as close as 2020, we either address the issue of housing now or we are foolishly walking towards a crisis.
Acting Housing Cabinet Secretary Dr. Matiang'i says in the next 1 month he will hold a meeting with the governors from all counties to address housing shortage. He says affordability is the main problem in Kenya's housing sector and the developers need to consider putting up low-cost houses to meet demand from the low and middle income.
We have to deliver on that 1 month deadline. On the issue of fees, we must deliver. I am ready to sign the Gazette notice. We change that matter so that developers and people who are moving in the sector are facilitated, not inhibited by the so many rules we are throwing at them as they are moving in. So how then do we hope to build the houses? If people come before us, we start telling them pay 50 million. And before we pay 50 million, I don't know where, go where. It just doesn't make sense at all.
A team drawing membership from the National Housing Corporation, Can Invest, and the Ministry of Housing has been formed to develop an action plan that will deal with the bottlenecks that have dogged the housing sector.
Let us have a quarterly framework of engaging with this sector so that the team that we put together, and I suggest Can Invest, National Housing Corporation, ourselves at the ministry, and other agencies that you put together today, I need a team that I can meet with on Wednesday morning so that I can spell out. I want to see that metrics, Patrick, on Wednesday morning, the day after tomorrow.
Dr. Matiang'i says the government is creating a conducive environment for investment through fast-tracking approval and facilitative regulatory frameworks to attract more developers. Caroline Jenga, 4 News Hour Business.